Hi everyone, my name is Adeola. I just want to say thank you to everyone that's been watching my videos. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channels. Thanks for those that's been adding me on Facebook as well. Thanks for adding me on BBM as well. I just want to say thank you, and also for those that's been sharing on Twitter. I really appreciate it. May God continue to bless you all in Jesus' name. This afternoon I just want to share a song titled Nipa Olugbala. It's also in the Yoruba hymn book. As you listen, may God bless you and stay blessed. Thank you. Nípa ìfẹ́ Olùgbàlà kí o sí nǹkan. Ojurere rẹ̀ kí padà kí o sí nǹkan. Ọmọlẹ́jẹ̀ tó wò wá sàn gbígbélé dì dóre ọ̀fẹ́ agbára lọ́wọ́ tó gbani kole nkan. Ọjọ́ ọ̀la yìí ó dára kí o ṣe nǹkan. Gbagbo lè korin, gbagbo lè korin nípọ́njú kí o ṣe nǹkan.